Yeah, that's a fish. I love spinning gear. Oh, dude, that's a big one. I didn't even know it was that big. I think that's the better one. Let's go, dude. Let's go.
Go, bud.
Beautiful. Pushing 4, I'd say. That's gonna be at least 4. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Yeah, look how he's hooked. He swiped at it and missed it. Oh my goodness. We got a freaking solid bag today. That's a long one. All right, guys, we are fishing a private lake today, out with a buddy. He's getting the boat ready right now. We're gonna be doing some bass fishing, and I think we're gonna be doing some crappie fishing too. The water is pretty cold. It's got a little bit of visibility. I think we're gonna try throwing some crankbaits, some jerk baits, some other baits. I don't know, we'll throw different things, see what works best. I have never been here, but it looks pretty good. Looks like this place has got a lot of docks and some nice structure, a lot of points. And today it is about 40 degrees right now. It's supposed to get up to about 50. Fishing in a John boat, and it should be a pretty good day. I'm excited, so stay tuned. Let's go find some fish. So this should be pretty fun. You want the net? There we go. First fish. That's a solid one.
Mm-hmm. A little skinny. Hopefully he's getting ready to fatten up for the winter.
Yep.
Start munching on the crawdad. This place is full of crawdads.
Oh yeah. Have these colors.
Maybe that one.
The yellow? Or you just go down it?
Yes. I just mark, kind of take it right down there. They'll kind of make it pop out a little bit more in the water.
There.
Got you a 5-pounder.
Got one.
Good?
Yep. Feels decent. Never mind. It's a fish though. I missed one on the first few casts on the jig and paddle tail. Finally connected. Hey. Is that 2 casts in a row? It's a little bit better. Pale, cold fish. Do you think we should put the anchor down here?
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
Right now?
Where you going on me?
Okay guys, I almost fell in. Imagine I flipped the whole boat.
That was fun.
Oh, what is that, a fourth? Fourth fish off the point.
What am I missing today?
What the heck?
I did not feel like, it wasn't, at first it did not feel like fish, it felt like a damn log. You got a little belly on them at least. The other ones were, they were super skinny.
How many fish is that?
Let go.
Yeah, that's a fish. Yeah, get the net, it feels pretty decent. I didn't even know he was on there.
Felt like mine?
Yeah, I felt like moss. This actually feels pretty good. Oh, I thought it came off.
Come to you, didn't it? Charged you.
That's a decent one. Stay on. I'm gonna be so mad if it comes off.
Let's loosen the drag up here more. That didn't need work. Loosen up.
I love spinning gear. Oh, dude, that's a big one. I didn't even know it was that big.
Oh, you didn't?
Yo, what? What?
That's why I told you keep loosening the drag up.
What? I did not know he was that big. Dude.
Oh, what a football.
I thought he was like a 2 or I thought he was a 3-pounder.
Damn, that's awesome.
Are you
man.
kidding me, guys? That's a 5-pounder. Look how he ate it though. I was just jigging it up. He was fighting hard. I knew he was decent. He got to the boat. JC over here with the net telling me to loosen my drag. I did not even know he was this big. Are you kidding me? Look what it says. 4 pounds, 15 ounces.
Almost a 5.
Almost 5 pounds, guys.
You ready?
Wait, hold up.
Oh, my bad.
Look how lethargic she is.
Mm-hmm. Worn out.
Slow. Let's
Yeah,
go.
yeah. That's awesome, man. Good job.
Yeah, thanks for the net job.
You're welcome.
I knew he felt good, but not that big. All right, guys, the paddle tail gets it done once again. You know, I did have a feeling this chartreuse would work pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, it's hard. I mean, that's just a good color all the way around.
Yeah, it was a good idea of me to put this on.
It was a great idea you had. I can't believe you came up
Amazing
with it
idea.
all by yourself.
All by myself.
Even the garlic marker, you know.
Yeah, JC's garlic marker with the chartreuse, totally my idea. All right, so I'm just using a cheap, I think this is a 3/8 ounce white jig head and KVD 4-inch swim and shiner. Like I said, I was using these plastics in my hybrid striper video. We were catching all those hybrids and the white bass. I caught like 15 fish with one plastic. These ones seem to hold up really well, and they are liking the chartreuse today. You got that marker?
Start charging you for streak.
There's one. Doesn't feel big. Actually not bad.
On it.
Sure, why not? 2 casts in a row. First one got bit, second one pulled this decent sized fish out. Yeah guys, I'm downsizing to a 3-inch to keep short striking it, keep grabbing just the end of it. Yeah, that's a lot smaller. Should get a better hookup ratio with that.
Get stirred up for a minute. Just trying to get away from the fly a little bit.
I think that's a better one. He's got some weight to him. Yeah, that's a good one. That's gotta be a nice one. Oh yeah.
I'll roll this in this time.
You said what?
I'll roll that in this time.
That's a good fish. Please stay on. He's not even really fighting that hard. He's just kind of like dead weight. That might be another 5-pounder. Yeah, that's a big one. Let me loosen that drag. This might be bigger.
Bigger or a lot more energy.
He's got some weight to him. Guys, we got a big one on.
You guys seen that tail? Good tail.
Guys, we got another chunk! Okay, he's coming, he's coming. That's a stud! Please, come on! Dude, get him! Oh my gosh, you will not give up. Here he is. Let's go, dude! Let's go!
Go, bud.
Dude!
2 big old chunks.
Dude, what a freaking day. Okay, that's about the same size. That one looks a little bit shorter and fatter.
Big old bug eyes, man.
On the 3-inch, look how he's hooked.
Barely.
That came right out. You are kidding. Look at that bait, look at that fish. This one's actually smaller. I thought he was bigger. 4 pounds, almost 12 ounces.
Still not bad.
411.
For a cold November day.
Yeah, you can get the release. Another tank, guys. That's 2 biggies. 2 big boys. Beautiful. Let's go.
Hell yeah, man.
There he is. 3 casts in a row, guys. He feels better.
Oh,
Never mind, guys.
false alarm.
False alarm. Whoa! Is that a fish?
Whoa.
This is crazy out here. He set his rod down with a net and a fish about stole it. That's hilarious. They are stacked over here.
You can always tell when they see the boat, they start going crazy.
Yeah. Oh, that is a nice one. That's a beauty. Pushing 4, I'd say. That's gonna be at least 4. Oh yeah. 4 pounds. 7 ounces. One fish just shy of 5 pounds. Another one pretty close to 5 pounds, and then this one 4.5 pounder. Man, we are on them. No way. You're joking.
I don't ever lie.
Hey, can I borrow a jerkbait? Third one, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me see that color again. All right, guys, so my camera was off. I just tied on a new color, and as I was tying it on, another fish in the net. Yeah, we're destroying the bass out here, guys.
Good
Not
old
too
fella.
bad. Are you kidding me? Dude, I looked over and I saw my rod tip moving. Guys, I was getting my freaking glasses out of my backpack. Poor little guy, he's fighting hard. We've done that multiple times today, where it's just, we set our rods down to do something and a fish eats our bait. That was a hard thumb. Yep. This one's got some weight to it. Holy crap. He's actually fighting me pretty good, yeah. This one might be decent. Oh my goodness! What the heck do we have hooked? I loosened my jug, he just took off. Yo, we got a nice one on. Yo, is this a bass? Oh my goodness! That's a good one. That's a 4 pounder. I hate that.
I do too. It is.
I did not think he was this big. Right here he is. Let's go, dude! What a freaking bag. Thanks again for the net job.
You're welcome.
That is a 4 pounder. Look how we ate it.
Hell yeah. barely in the lip.
All right, guys, time to weigh this fish. This one's kind of long.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say
3 3/4. Sorry, that's what I meant. 3 3/4.
4 pounds even. 4 pounds even. Yo, I love this place. Can you come back again? I've caught 3 fish over 4 pounds. Well, 4 pounds and up. And you've caught a 4.5, right?
Mm-hmm.
We got a freaking solid bag today. That's a long one. You know it's a good day whenever you catch a 4 pounder and don't even bother taking a picture.
Yeah, we didn't, did we?
Did you want a picture of your 4.5?
Nah.
We could have.
I got plenty of them.
Crappie. Woo. Second
Dirty.
species.
Got a good little meat on them too.
There's one.
Nice little fried tater chip there. Oh, you got that brush pile now. Once while you get a faulty one.
There he is. On the fall.
There you go.
Doesn't feel terrible. That's a monster. Get him! Get him! Get him! Nope.
Wait till you wear them out on that thing first.
Yep.
Good?
Decent. Yeah. Oh my gosh!
No.
Dude, that was a big head shake. He was just going out to the depths. It's a fish. I got one too.
Oh yeah?
We doubled up. He got his on the jerk bait, and I went to pick up my rod, reeled the slack in, and I had a fish on there too.
Just so you know which one's bigger.
Yeah, mine's definitely bigger. That's cool. First double up of the day.
Yep. Oh shoot. I don't know if he's that big or he just got the little shoulder on him. He's got a little aggression built up inside of him. That's all. Been down there listening to that angry music like I do.
Yeah, we're destroying them, guys. This bank looks like it would be super steep.
It ain't bad. It's got a good drop to it.
That one actually kind of feels kind of decent. Just dead weight. Why is he fighting like that? He's not even moving. Get the net case. At least in my drag. He's not even budging.
Maybe a big one.
Oh yeah, that's a big one.
Is it?
Oh, he's hooked weird. He's in the gill plate. I gotta be careful. Dude, he's getting ready to pop off. He's gonna pop off. No! Get up here.
Just in the drag it just a bit more. Ain't gonna hurt it.
Guys, I have to fight this fish so careful because he swiped at it and he's barely hooked on the outside of his gill plate, I think. That's a 3-4 pounder. That's a 3, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, look how he's hooked. He swiped at it and missed it. Another one right on that tree, right on the bank. Okay, yeah, so we're just weighing all of our top 5 fish to see how big of a bag we would get if we were in a tournament, you know. 2 pounds, 13 ounces. Yeah, I thought he was a lot bigger at first. He was just foul hooked. Barely got him in. That is a beautiful fish though. Long. Let's go.
Until next time.
Even though that fish was foul hooked, after I switched over to a 3-inch, my hookup ratio has been a lot better.
You're welcome. Yeah. Grab that.
How'd that happen?
Someone wasn't paying attention.
Got the anchor stuck in the trolling motor. Anyways, we've been working on this new bank and pulled a few fish out of here, lost a few. It's just been a great day out here, catching a lot of quality sized fish. If we were in a tournament, we'd be sitting pretty good too. Yeah, this gear was $27. That's a monster. Get the net, get the net. Dude.
Wait, some guys on there?
No. Why didn't you get the net? I almost lost this big fish. Alright guys, I would say that's a mission success. Caught a lot of nice fish. We caught at least 15, didn't we? Probably 15 to 20 fish. Yeah, 4 of those fish were 4 pounds and up. And I will pop up the weight of the top 5 fish right now. I'll have to go back through the video and see what, because I do not know. We weren't keeping track. I'd say it's a pretty good day. if we were in a tournament, we'd be sitting pretty good. I caught all my fish, same little jig head with a white paddle tail, but I switched over to the 3-inch and I got a better hookup ratio. And JC also caught a good amount on the jerk bait and Texas rig and Carolina rig, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it was a pretty good day. Thanks again for taking me out.
Oh, you're welcome.
Had a blast out here. I would definitely look forward to coming here again in the future. Like I said, this is my first time out here and we just had a blast. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time.